Hi everyone, welcome to the Generative AI on AWS series. In this journey, I will walk through how generative AI can solve real-world challenges, starting with the basic and build up with advanced solutions. Let's explore how this powerful technology can transform the way we solve problems. Welcome to an exciting hands-on session where we will create a simple AI chat application using Bedrock. This video is designed for beginners who want to see how easy it is to integrate generative AI capabilities into real-world applications with the help of Amazon Bedrock. Whether you are new to AI or looking for inspiration to build your next app, this tutorial will provide a clear steps and practical insights to get started. Okay, let's turn ideas into innovation. Here is what we will cover today. First, we will go over the prerequisites, ensuring you have everything set up to create your AI chat application using Bedrock. Next, we will dive into the hands-on session where we will walk you through building a simple AI chat application step by step. By the end of this video, you will have a simple AI-powered chat application and a clear understanding of how to leverage Bedrock capabilities in your projects. Let's get started. Before we dive into creating a generative AI application with Bedrock, there are a few things you need to prepare. First, make sure you have installed the AWS CLI. Once installed, run the command AWS configure to set up your access key and secret access key on your local machine. This will allow you to connect seamlessly with AWS service. Next, ensure that you have requested access to a Bedrock model. This is a crucial step to start working with generative AI models on Bedrock. And finally, make sure Python is installed on your machine. We will use Python as the primary tools for building and deploying the application. Once you have these prerequisites ready, we can start to building application.
Welcome to hands-on session. Next, let's create your generative AI application. But before that, here is some script that you need to run to set up your virtual environment. First, you need to create a virtual environment for Python. And next, you using this command to active the virtual environment and to install the necessary package in the requirements.txt. You need to run this. That's it. And I will explain each package. Here we have the LangChain. LangChain is a Python's framework for building application powered by large language model, and it integrates with many common models like ChatGPT, Hugging Face, and here we're using to interact with Bedrock. And Streamlit, we're using it to create a simple web UI with few lines of code. And Moto 3 will create a client session that will connect to our AWS environment. Okay, now let's back to the main.p and create our script. First, you need to import some necessary package from LangChain. From LangChain, we need to install some. First, you need to import the chat Bedrock, because we using here is Bedrock model. And from LangChain prompts, we need to import chat prompt templates to create a prompt context templates from templates and message placeholder. Next, you need to import LangChain. From import here, you need to import human message, and from LangChain import chain from Bedrock 3 and import Streamlit to create simple web UI. Let's SD. Okay, now you import all necessary package for our application. Let's set up the Bedrock client. Here we define the Bedrock client, Bedrock3.client, and input some necessary parameters like service name. Here we're using Bedrock runtime, and the region. I suggest that you using Oregon region because Oregon region is supported with the widest range of foundation models. So I choose US West 2 as my region. Okay. Next, you need to define the model ID. Model ID is the Bedrock model that you will be using here. So I will back to the Bedrock console, and you can scroll down to the base models and find. Here I'm using Cloud 3 Haiku, so I will choose the provider is Anthropic. And so you will see a lot of foundation model here. So I copy this and paste it in. So I have my model ID. And next you need to do some configuration for large language model output. Here, chat Bedrock and model is model ID and client equal Bedrock client. Okay. Model arguments. Temperature 0.9. Okay. So you need a history list here to store the history message. Okay. Next, let's define to interact with the Generative AI API. So I define function. It will be chat, and it get the parameter is test for the question, and define a history. Append human message to store the question from client. Content equal test. Okay, it will append the test here as the human message. Next, you will define the prompt templates. Chat prompt templates and prompt message. So I have here message placeholder is variable. Variable name equal history. And human message. Contents equal test. So we define the prompt templates. Next, let's create a large language model chain, LLM chain, and it will get the LLM parameter, large language model, and prompt equal prompt. Next, let's call the API to get the results. chain.invoke history will be history and test will be test. And when it get the results, we will append it to history. Dot append intent equal rest. The response here will be returned as the dictionary, so we will get the text like this, okay, and return the response. Okay guys, let's test our function. That, and here I will have what is generative AI. Okay, let's clear our terminal and run our main.p file. Oh, message placeholder. Sorry, let me correct this. Okay, let's clear the terminal and run python.main.py again. And let's correct this. Run message. Okay. Clear terminal again and run python 3 main.py again. Hope that this time it will be work. Okay, it worked. Okay guys, we have the results here. What is content equals is generative AI, and we will have. Okay, generative AI refers to a class artificial intelligence. So we get the results from Bedrock model. Okay, so now we need to integrate the Bedrock with the Streamlit, so we can use the generative AI feature as web UI. So we define here st is stand for Streamlit, and st.title is chat AI. Okay, and we defined a test input sidebar test area, and label is ask me something. And if we get the question, we will on the chat. When we get the response, we will display the response in the screen. Okay, so we need another command to run Streamlit application. Okay, we got the UI here, so let's ask it something. I will zoom it out. Tell me about AWS. Okay, and wait is running. Okay guys, we have the results here. So in this video, you learned how to create a simple generative AI application.
Alright, we just wrapped another video in the Generative AI on AWS series. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you would like to connect with me, scan the QR code on the screen and connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you.